Oh, fuck. Well, we're uploaded. All sensors are on. Let's see if this thing runs. I'm just fucking kind of nervous. Holy fuck. Well, fail after fail. Oh, fuck. Alright, I gotta learn how to talk to the camera. Right, mask inside the crib. Yeah, what's good with y'all, man? Welcome back. Y'all niggas haven't been on my channel. I'm that nigga with the Civic and Legacy and shit. But, yeah. I fucking recently straight piped it, you know, got a dyno tune E85, all that cool shit. Oh, yo, that's pretty chill, right? Yeah, now I can't pass inspection, / you can't re-register your car without having an inspection. The DMV knows. It's fucking bullshit. So, shout out to Steven. Yeah. I'm gonna update the Hot Data software because my car is all the way over here. Can't even see it, yeah. It's my life in a nutshell. I stay having to walk fucking 90 miles to get back in the crib for some shit that I fucking don't have in my expense while I'm outside. Right? I'm pretty good at using big words these days. But, yeah, I'm gonna try to go into On Data. I'm gonna click on the sensors, take the car for a ride, see if it throws codes. Maybe if I can drive for X amount of miles with the sensors clicked on, maybe I can bring it to the fucking spot and get it inspected really quick before it throws the code. And I'll have, what's it called? Data on the fucking ready. I don't even know what to fucking call it. Maybe if I get a little more knowledge throughout this video, I'll be able to explain it more. But basically, my registration runs out in 2 days. And, yeah. I owe $9 grand on a car I can't drive. So let's, like, drive it. From 3.6 to 3.7, I guess. So hopefully this update will let me go outside. Come on, baby. Oh, shit. Come on. Come on. All right. In reality, unless it's restarting itself. Of course I accept. I should probably pay attention here. I'm just gonna click. Sure enough. Sure enough. Alright. Fuck all you guys that live in cribs. I can walk out the door. I gotta go down 5 flights. Fuck. Please let this work. It's not. This thing fucking has so much sex. Look at this thing. Kick ass. Oh. Let's try this again. Stay tuned. Connect it. Bink. Bink. I haven't used this in so long. I'll have to fucking relearn it. Fuck. But I gotta hit something on this? I don't remember. Oh my god. A waste of time, ass nigga. I don't even know what I'm doing. Please switch while in. Oh. Please switch the ignition switch off while calibrations update finishes. I don't get it. Help me! Well, look at me go Googling shit. fucking had this shit for a year. I still don't know how to use it, but if you're trying to go to calibrations and it keeps coming up blank, go to Flash Pro. It'll pop up all like your shit, and then you figure whatever tune you got, you're gonna download it, and then you can click calibrations. Bing, bing, boom. So now I'm gonna fish through this shit. Closed loop. Primary oxygen sensor enabled. Alright. So you don't want to short out your ECU, fucking with your ECU. So I don't have a battery charger, so I'm gonna see if this prick lets me do it. If not, then I'm just not meant to be doing this type of work, you know? Alright. Let's give her a go. Oh. Not bad. I just hope this goes okay. So, typical RPM fucking loadage. Seems reading 666 a second ago. Ah. There we go. Yeah. Oh, fuck. Well, we're uploaded. All sensors are on. Let's see if this thing runs. I'm just fucking kind of nervous. Take this in the auto zone and see if any of these fucking R's can see if my car is reading. I don't even know if that's a thing, but I'll try them out. So far so good. No codes, no cops. Their tune, their scan tool can read readiness, but we'll see. See if I can fucking no look plugger. That was kind of a fail. There's absolutely nothing wrong with my car. Fucking A. Honey, I'm home. Fuck. Alright. Guys, if there's anyone out there that did this fucking catless downpipe, full exhaust, straight pipe, fucking Honda E85, fucking manifold, throttle body, all types of fucking, it shouldn't be this way. what did you do to get your car to pass inspection? I live in New York State. I have 2 days to figure this out. Help.